Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SeatGeek how to download tickets. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to download tickets from SeatGeek, what you need to know first is most SeatGeek's tickets are mobile entry. That means you don't download a PDF, you save them to your phone, wallet or app. Then the first method that you can use is add tickets to Apple Wallet. So what you need to do here is simply head over and open up the SeatGeek application and log in the browser on the SeatGeek.com. Then once logged into your account, simply tap on tickets icon on the bottom of your screen. Then once inside tickets, select the event. And then once you're inside the event, simply tap on the tickets and you'll find an option that says add to Apple Wallet. Then once that's done, simply tap on add to confirm and your ticket is saved offline in Apple Wallet, which only works on iPhone. The next method is use the SeatGeek app. Simply head over and open up the SeatGeek app once again. Then simply tap on tickets icon on the bottom of your screen once again and then select the ticket. Once you tap on the ticket will show the barcode or QR code of the event. All you gotta do is show it to the event organizer or at the venue, and no internet is needed once loaded. Next method is download PDF tickets if available. Only some events allow this. So head over and open up your SeatGeek once again, then tap on tickets once again and then select the event and look for the download PDF or view PDF option. And once that's done, you can just simply save the file to your device and you can print or store the PDF. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.